Hi, today I want to show you a simple way to personalize your workspace. I just add a 3D print to my wall. I think that adding that small element like this can really change the vibe of your office and make it feel more comfortable like your own space. Another great way to personalize your workspace could be printing your own photos on a large format printer and framing them, or even printing an inspired quote on a normal printer to give yourself a boost of positive energy during your work. If you are interested in personalizing your workspace, I've shared some helpful tips on my blog. Feel free to take a look. Okay, that's all. Maybe next time I will take you on a tour on my entire office once it's fully finished. What are your favorite ways to personalize your office? Let me know in the comments. Bye!